Are Mac hot corners constantly triggering something when you accidentally move your mouse to the corner of the screen? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off hot corners on Mac, including the Notes hot corner, and how to make them work only when you hold a key. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select System Settings. Now, click Desktop and Dock, then scroll and select Hot Corners. You'll see 4 boxes representing the 4 corners of your Mac screen. Each corner can be assigned an action such as Quick Note, Mission Control, Desktop, or Screensaver. To completely disable a hot corner, click its menu and select the hyphen or minus symbol. Now you can see nothing pops up even when I take the mouse to the corner. But there's another useful option. If you don't want to completely disable a hot corner but want to prevent accidental activation, hold down Command while selecting an action from the menu. You can also use Option, Control, or Shift. For example, hold Command and select Quick Note. Now Quick Note will only activate when you move your cursor to that corner while holding Command. And that's it. You have learned how to disable hot corners on Mac and how to require a keyboard shortcut to activate them. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Gizmo Rush.